Welcome to IBC 2019. This is the year's most influential media, entertainment, and technology event, right here in Amsterdam. Hi, I'm Ashley with In Broadcast. Joining me is Penny of Interra Systems. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you. So, Penny, could you briefly tell me what we could possibly expect from Interra Systems in the next, say, 6 to 12 months?
Oh, okay. Well, we obviously have our flagship product, Baton, which has got additional updates and everything, which are pretty exciting. We also have our Orion OTT product line, and that again is expanding. We're seeing a lot of take-up in the world for those products. We've also increased our Orion Central Manager, so a lot of new things on that for the overview of those products. A lot of people want to see all of their whole systems in one place, and that's what we're aiming to with that. But at this show, we've also got some new products we're showing. The Winnow content classification product, which again we're seeing an awful lot of interest, and we're releasing that product over the next sort of year or so. That, along with two others that are very, very new, and we're just getting feedback at this show. We anticipate release next year, are caption and also lip sync. Of those, lip sync has always been a really big thing that people spend a lot of time dealing with, and it's always needed a human up to now. But our research in AI and ML learning has really increased our abilities to move into those spaces and do specific QC in that area.
Very nice. So you're highlighting a couple of things. So within that, can you tell me what territories would really show an interest in this?
Well, with the Winnow, that is a global thing because the compliance for what people can show, whether they can show guns or alcohol or nudity or all these different kind of desirable or undesirable categories, they're different in pretty much all the different areas of the world. What's acceptable in the US is not acceptable in parts of Asia or the Middle East, and vice versa. So it's really, really important that global organizations that are sending content to different locations are aware of this. And Winnow is a very flexible product. So using the AI capabilities of that, people can choose which categorizations are really important to them.
Now, along with all of these things, did you face any challenges within designing or launching?
Well, yes, there are a lot of there's a lot of work goes into accurate AI algorithms. Our team are pretty good at those sort of things, and we have a really, really good team working on this. However, AIs must be trained, and it's really important that you put a lot of material through an AI. It increases the accuracy, and we think now, particularly for the broadcast and professional media market, there are other people who have these systems, but they're not targeted in the way that these professional media organizations need. And so we are really increasing and working on the accuracy, but it takes time. You've got to throw a lot of content at these things to train them. That takes time.
That makes sense.
That's why we're not releasing immediately.
Sure. Well, that being said, can you give us a little snippet of what we might expect from Interra Systems in the near future?
Oh, I think by NAB, you'll see these caption and lip sync products really starting to take off. We've been showing them to people at this show really to get the feedback, to refine the products. And I think Winnow is pretty much going to be available at the end of this year, this sort of timescale. But lip sync and caption, I think we're going to start to see an awful lot of interest, say middle to end of next year.
Well, we definitely look forward to that. Thank you so much for all the information and for talking to us, Penny.
Thank you.
Thank you.